it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got it, on it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, on it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I'm over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. I'm over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. I'm over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. Hey, how you doing? I just wanted to give you guys like a quick review on what I thought on the lip products, just in case you guys do want to go buy it. Plus, I wanted to show you something really great which I found on the website, which is like the main reason as to why I've done the lip book and was able to afford doing lip book anyway. So I found this. It's the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Folk, and it comes with 10 of their lip glosses and matte lipsticks and metallic lipsticks. And individually, I did buy some individually as well, because mostly what's in this is basically mostly nude. So if you are a girl who likes nude, I suggest you should get this. It's really good. It's for the price as well. This costs £25, and each individually is £6. So originally this box was £50, and then it came down to £30, and then it came down to £25. And I think £25 is like their last sell price for it, because I was watching it for a while before I bought it, because it was in their Christmas, like a Christmas, like they do like a Christmas folk kind of thing, where they do Christmas bundles and Christmas gift sets for you to buy for your, you know, friends and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I found a bargain with this, and this is like the main reason as to why I've done the lip collection, because it was £25 for 10, so that was really cheap, and I was able to afford extras on the side. So let me just quickly show you guys what's on the inside. And once you slide it, you see this beautiful design on the front. Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, Retro Luxe Folk. And then on the back here, it just says like the ingredients and what's inside the mattes and matte lipsticks and all the lip glosses and lip liners and all that. So then once you open it, you get this beauty. It has all the lip colours that are in here. And just be aware, if you do end up buying this, the colours that you see here is not the same colours that you get on the outside. Oh, no. The colours that you see here on the packaging is not the same colours that you get on the lip glosses or the lipsticks. It's much different. But yeah, so you get all the names, and then it says, you know, be as bold as your lip colour. And it has 2 drawers. So on the top here, where you can see it says all these name colours here, on the top here is strictly matte. All they have on the top here is just matte lipsticks, and they're mostly nude. So if you are a dark skinned girl, then don't be afraid to buy it. You can just use like a dark brown or even black lip liner to make a nice ombre, put a nice little lip gloss, and bob's your uncle. Yeah, and then on the bottom here, you can see the packaging is much different from the matte. The matte packagings are black, the lip glosses are white, and the metallics are obviously rose gold. Beautiful colour. And yeah, so you get your lip gloss. You get your lip gloss, either lip gloss or your metallic lipstick or your matte lipstick. and then you get your lip liner and the lip product that's in there, which is a great deal. I'm not sure if like Kylie Jenner started this trend, but if she did, then it's probably like the smartest thing she's ever created, because you save money. Yeah, so as I said, I did buy separate ones from the actual box set. That's because, like I said, they're all nude, and I wanted to add a bit of colour into it. Plus, nude is not really my thing. I'm more of a colour girl. I like my, you know, purples and my blues and my browns and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so if you do decide to go and buy this individually at Superdrugs, be careful for the packaging. So this is their new formula, which is much better than the old formula. I noticed with the old formula, it was very hard for me to get the lipstick off. It did hurt my lip up here. Right now, I can feel my lips are a bit swollen here, especially this side here. It is a bit swollen because I did have to like scrub hard, and it was sticky as well. But yeah, so just be careful when you do go, if you do go into store and you do want to buy it. This is the old packaging, which you should be careful of, unless you want to ruin your lips. And this is the new packaging. As you can see, there is a difference. On the new packaging, it does say matte lip kit, and it also will say new improved. Yeah, it also will say new improved. And on the old one, it doesn't say new improved, and it doesn't have like the matte lip kit on the rose gold. It has the matte lip kit on top of the rose gold. So just be careful of that. And also, when you do buy it, for you to be aware when you go and buy it, to not be surprised or anything, you might end up with a bendy wand. I'm guessing it's because the wand is probably longer than the tube, so when you put it in, it does tend to bend. So a few of them will come like that, so just be aware when you do buy it. But yeah, I love the new formula. The new formula, it's very easy to get off. I do suggest when you do put it on, you should double coat it so it won't look streaky. But it was easy to get off. It wasn't harsh on my lips like the old formula was. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you do want to see me do any more like lip book kits and lip collections and all that kind of stuff, just suggest me a brand and I will look into it. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. So, see you soon.